Now student, now we'll going to take the LCM of this here. We'll take right here, see here, LCM of 5252 equal to, see here, 2 into 5, and we'll got here 10. So we put here 10, 10, 10 and 10. We'll convert it into like fractions here. 2 into 5, so we got here 5 into 5 equal to 25. Now see here 5 into 2, we got here 10, so we'll write here 11 into 2, we'll write here 22. Then we will see here again we'll got here 2 into 5, 10, so we'll write here 3 into 5, we'll write here 15. See here 5 into 2, we got here 10, so we write here 6 into 2, we'll write here 12. Now first what we'll do, we will write them. See here, first we'll write here 15 by 10, then we'll write here 12 by 10, then we'll write here 22 by 10, and then we'll write here 25 by 10. Okay, now are in like fraction. Okay, in now fraction. Now what we'll do, now see, we will now see here we have to write it in what you have question, we have to write in descending form from bigger to smaller. So we'll see here 25 by 10 is greater than 22 by 10, and 22 by 10 is greater than 15 by 10, and here 15 by 10 is greater than 12 by 10. So we can write here as 25 by 10 greater form, then we will write here 22 by 10, then we'll write here 15 by 10, and then we'll write here 12 by 10. So hence we can say here we have write there alter form. See here 25 by 10 is alter here 5 by 2, so we write here 5 by 2 is greater. Then 22 by 10 we have 11 by, see here 11 by 5, and then 15 by 10 we have here 3 by 2, we'll write here 3 by 2, and 12 by 10 we have here 6 by 5, so right here 6 by 5. So in this way say they are in descending form, in descending order. Now one thing more we have to add here, see we have write in this in proper form, that we have converted them, but we have to write the answer in mixed form as given in the question. Now we have to do, we will see 5 by 2 is here what, see 5 by 2, see 5 by 2 is we have 2 1 by 2, so we write here 2 1 by 2 is greater than, see 11 by 5, we'll see here 11 by 5 is what, 2 1 by 5, we write here 2 1 by 5, then we have to write here, see 3 by 2, see 3 by 2 is what here, 3 by 2 we have 1 1 by 2, we'll write here 1 1 by 2, and see then we have last one is 6 by 5, see here 6 by 5 is what, see here 1 1 by 5, so we'll write here 1 1 by 5. In this way we have to write this answer. Now we will see the exercise here. In exercise what we'll have to do, let's see here in exercise C, we have to find which fraction is smaller. Okay, for that what we have to do, see which fraction is smaller. See 4 by 8 and 2 by 8, see here both the denominator is same, and we have to see now the numerator. See 4 is greater than 2, so we can say that since 4 is greater than 2 and 2 is smaller than 4, so we can say that this fraction is smaller, okay, because 2 by 8 is smaller. Now see here, 3 by 4 and 4 by 5, since we have given here different denominator, so what we'll do, we will convert with taking the same denominator. We'll multiply this 4 with 5 and this 5 with 4, this become 20, this become 20. Then what we'll do, since we have multiplied this 4 with 5, we'll multiply upper also 5, we'll get 15. And since here we multiply with 4, it become 20, we'll multiply with 4 also, so it becomes 16. So 16 by 20 and 15 by 20, so this is greater, this is greater and this is smaller, so we can say that 3 by 4 is smaller than this, in this way. Now see here, arranging 7 by 2 12 and 3 by 7 and 2 by 3 in order from greatest, from begin with the greatest, this will do as same this we have done, okay. In this way we can draw as this diagram also, or we can do it as I have taught you in different ways also. Then arrange the following fraction descending order as I have now taught you in this form and this form as in my copy. So you can do in like this also, you can do like this also, there is no any problem in which in any method you can do this. Then see, arrange the shape in ascending or ascending order according to their shade shape. That means we have two shade shape, we have to arrange them ascending order, that means bigger to smaller. See, this is bigger, then this, then this, then this, we have to take this according to their shape. Since here see total number of see it is 1 2 3 4 5, in shaded part it is 5 part, it is 1 2 3, it is 1 2 3 and it is 1, but we have to take in shaded parts, and for how see here it becomes see 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, it is become 10, that means 5 by 10. Then see here 3, that means 3 by 5. Then see here 1 by 4, and see here 3 by 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, become 3 by 8. So we have to first convert them into their numerator form, and then we have to convert the denominators in the like fraction, and I will show you this in example also. Wait, I will show you this in now see this. Since you see there, this is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, so total our denominator is 8 and shaded part is 1 2 3 3, okay. Now see here is total part is 8, that means 4, and shaded part is 1. Then you see here total part is 1 2 3 4 5 and shaded part is 3, okay. And see here total shaded part is 10 and shaded part is 5, okay. Now see here, you can do it in two different ways. You can one by looking at the picture also, and by doing the sum in a process also. By looking at the picture, you can say that since here it is 8 part and it is 3 part, and it is since 10 part and it is 5 part, it is totally half, and it is half the way of greater, okay. And since it is 1 by 4 and it is 3 by 5, okay, 3 by 5 in this way. So we can say here, see first we'll do it in a different way. See here, first we arrange them their numerator same. First we like this 1 by 4. I will teach you in this way because it is help you in greater classes also, so that you can able to find it easily, okay. Because in now you have to do in a long way, no? See, now we will 10 5 4 and 8, you take their LCM, take their LCM. See 8 5 10 and 4. First we'll do it 2 4 5 5 2 2 2 5 5 1 2 2 1 5 5 5 5 1 1 1 1. So see here 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 8 5 ja 40. 8 5s are 40. So we have here LCM 40, 40, 40 and 40. Now see here, 10 into 4 we got 40, so 5 into 4 we got here 20, 5 into 8 we got here 40, so we got here 3 into 8 24. See, 4 into 10 we got here 40, so 1 into 10 we got here 10, and 8 into 5 we got here 40, so 3 into 5 you got here 15. So from this we can say that the greater number is this 24 by 40, that means 3 by 5 is our greater, that means 3 by 5 is our greater. Then we see the next number is 20 by 40, that means 5 by 10, and then we see the next number is our 15 by 40, that means 3 by 8, 3 by 8. Then we see the next number, that is 10 by 40, that means 1 by 4. So in this way we can do this also. This is a very easy method, so that it is very correct and you have no any confusion for doing this. In this way you can do it. You can see also one here. See, in this way we have done it, and we have to do this in next chapter. In next day we will going to learn about this, that means adding fraction and subtraction and subtracting fraction. Okay.